Hello guys, we're back. This is our second recipe here. It's going to be chicken soba noodle salad. So you have the chicken cold or chicken hot, cooked to water. But we'll start out with the soba noodle, which is a buckwheat noodle. We can boil this ahead of time and then store it in the refrigerator. I recommend adding just a little bit of oil if you're going to store it. Put it in the bag and refrigerate it. Our flavoring ingredient include our Asian vinaigrette. This is going to marinate our chicken and cut the chicken in little small pieces, and you can cook them, saute them, and look like this. Okay. Right now it's hot, but you can actually cool it down and store it in the refrigerator in a bag or in a container just like this. And our next ingredients to add more vitamins and minerals, we need to add more vegetables, so we're adding spinach, plenty of iron, folic acid, niacin, and so on. And we have add some color as well as more vitamins. We have diced fresh tomatoes, and protein source is going to be other than chicken. It's going to be edamame beans right here. Okay, we'll start out with using your soba noodle. About one portion of it. I like to get this noodle kind of separate a little bit, so I want to add a little of my vinaigrette. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. And we'll toss the noodles. It starts to separate. And you'll know how much you can put is to determine on how well the noodle separates. And that'll be gauging your flavor as well too. So they're separating now. Now we'll add our chicken, edamame, some tomatoes. If you want to impress somebody, we'll keep a little bit of tomato on the side and garnish it to the top. Then we'll add some spinach. Since our chicken's a little hot, it's going to kind of sweat the spinach a little bit, make it a little smaller than what you see. And it's going to absorb the vinaigrette as well. It's going to give a nice color in there, and color is going to give you that variety of vitamins and minerals that you need for a healthy meal. And that's it. This is our soba noodle spinach Asian chicken salad. And for our next recipe, check out next video.